Good morning. I am discussing one of the questions from the recent 2025 NEET exam. Students found it difficult, physics portion difficult. So I am answering some of the questions from the NEET exam. The first question I have taken is, I am reading out the question. The kinetic energies of two similar cars A and B are 100 joule and 225 joule respectively. 100 joule and 225 joules respectively. Okay, so and the cars stop after 1000 meter. Cars stop after car A stops after 1000 meter and car B stops after how many meters? See, 1500 meter. 1500 meter. If Fa and Fb are the forces applied by the brakes on car A and car B respectively, then ratio of Fa to Fb, you have to find out the ratio. Okay, as soon as you read the problem, for example, you have the keyword here, kinetic energies of the two cars, and okay, distance moved by the two cars. As soon as you read it, you should be able to recall the work energy theorem from work, power and energy chapter. And what is the mathematical form of the work energy theorem? Force into distance is equal to the kinetic energy. And this actually, kinetic energy basic definition, if you have understood thoroughly, kinetic energy is the capacity to do work. So this is actually the work done by the energy. So therefore, this equation you should recall immediately, and then you should solve. Okay, what is the equation? What is the kinetic energy of the first car? See, that is 100 joule. Okay, 100 joule. How do you relate it to the distance moved? Distance moved is 1000 meter. Okay, so that I have written it down here. So kinetic Fa into distance is kinetic energy. So okay, that if you apply to the first car, Fa into 1000 equal to 100 joule. Okay, this is equation 1 or first equation. Okay, what is the equation for the second car? Fb into 1500. Distance moved is 1500. Okay, that's equal to 225 joules. Okay, so now how do you find the ratio? Very simple. You have to divide one of these two equations. Okay, if you divide, what do you get? Fa into 1000 divided by Fb into 1500 equal to the right hand side, that is 100 joule divided by 225 joules. How do you simplify? Look here, I am cancelling off 2 zeros, both numerator and denominator. That is equivalent to dividing numerator denominator na 100 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 zeros cancel ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, and you can have even cancel. Supposing left hand side and right hand side, if you divide, you get 10. Left hand side 1 0 gets cancelled, right hand side 1 0 gets cancelled. See, now of course you can do this also. See, 15 and 225. Okay, I will write down one more step. See, Fa divided by Fb equal to 10 you got in the numerator on the right hand side, and that multiplied, of course I transfer this 15 to the other side. It is written in the numerator divided by 225. So 15 you cancel with 225, you get 15 squared is 225. So this simplification actually is numerical intelligence. Okay, you should be good with numbers. So if you cancel with 5, both numerator and denominator, you divide by 5, you get 2 in the numerator and 3. 5 2 times is 10, 5 2 times 3 times is 15. So therefore answer is 2 by 3. FA by FB is 2 by 3. So which option is correct? FA by FB is 2 by 3. So option 2 is correct. So this is how this concept understanding and simplification, that is numerical intelligence. So this helps. I mean, if you are good at this, you can solve this faster. I will be solving more number of problems like this in the coming videos. Thank you.